Hello YouTube, welcome to Galaxy Marble Floor Polishing YouTube channel. These are metal bound diamond tool Cassani's segments. Grid number 50, made in China. A grade metal bound diamond tool Cassani for marble leakage removing, for uneven styles leveling the marble. Check the thickness of these segments are very big. You can attach these metal bound diamond tool Cassanis in actually machine, traditional machine. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, so when I upload these kind of videos you can get the notifications.